Hey guys, welcome to the channel once again. If you're watching this video, we are already connected, and to make the connection even stronger, please subscribe to the channel so that we can continue making videos for you. I just received the Samsung F41 phone, so today we'll be doing the unboxing, and later on I will be sharing some pictures clicked with this camera so you can understand the quality of Samsung phone and how the phone overall works. We'll also be reviewing that. Maybe like after this video I'll be posting another one, or maybe at the end of this video I'll be sharing my experience. So starting with the unboxing first of all. So let's cut this. And see what's there in the box. We'll keep this on a side. First of all, what we receive in the box is a SIM ejector tool. A user manual is always good. You can read instructions step by step, and there's a warranty card and this booklet, quick start guide. So it is always good to read the book so that you can have a basic understanding of what your phone features are and how you will insert the SIM and other related functions of this specific phone. So as of now, we just keeping this aside and moving straight towards the phone. Okay, so the phone looks beautiful in this blue color. So this is how the phone looks like. You can easily operate this with one hand. It is a slim phone and a beautiful one. Just look at the back panel. The phone comes with 3 cameras at the back. One is a 64 megapixel camera, other one is 8 megapixel and 5 megapixel. Collectively they shoot the picture depending upon your requirement. And then there is a 32 megapixel front camera. I'll be clicking the pictures and adding it in the end of the video so that you can have a look and understand the quality. And then you have this sensor, which is a touch sensor, fingerprint sensor, and at the back you have this beautiful fingerprint sensor, so you can keep the phone secure from unwanted or maybe unauthorized access. So let's see what more we get in the box. We have a charging cable. This is a long charging cable which you can easily use, and then there is a charger which is a you get a fast charger with this phone, so you can easily charge your 6000 mAh battery. As per my previous experiences with Samsung phones, this 6000 mAh battery will work perfectly fine whole day, and you will have some battery remaining for the next day. You can easily charge at night and continue your calls and whatever you want to watch, videos or anything else, so that I can give you a clear picture. Maybe in the description portion I will share my views. So let's just switch it on and see. The first message that we get is Samsung Galaxy F41. It's taking a little time since we are operating it for the first time, so it will take a little time, and I hope that we're able to do it as fast as possible. Initially it will take some time, and it is starting Android and the welcome screen. Start, and we have to agree with all the terms. If you don't agree with all the terms, you simply cannot move forward. So clicking next, and we can skip this step. Then copies, we'll do it later on. Then again you get all the Google terms, and now you will have to accept all the Google policies. So simply click on accept. Then it will ask you for the security setup. As of now we are not doing it. You can do it via face recognition, then fingerprints, pattern, pin or password as per your convenience. You have all the options available right here. So I'll simply skip this step. Smart tour. Skip. And we are done. So let's see what all applications we get as standard with this phone. Just swipe up and we have some Samsung applications. Then you have a Netflix pre-installed, camera application, and then you have settings, clock, calendar. That's it. So there are very limited applications available, and there are some Google applications too. So there are very limited applications available that come by default with this phone. So you don't have to worry about so much. So Samsung uses very limited applications, as Samsung phones come with very limited applications. So as you can see, this has only limited application. As you can see, Samsung phones come with very limited applications pre-installed. For example, you have Netflix. This is like very common applications. These are like very common applications available in any phone. So Netflix, phone pay, and then you have this Google applications right here, Google Chrome, Gmail. So all the basic applications. Rest all you can install depending upon your requirement. If you're using Wi-Fi connection, you can simply click here and connect your Wi-Fi phone using these settings. And if you're using data, this phone will automatically detect. Change the brightness. You can change the brightness using this display setting, and at maximum the screen looks simply beautiful because you have Super AMOLED display option. In full brightness you get an amazing experience using this phone, because this phone comes with Super AMOLED display also. And you can change your wallpaper, themes, home screen, and again, like the thing we left in the earlier options, which is a screen lock. Again, depends upon you want to use biometric or simple pin. It is completely your choice. And then you have this software update. So when you set up the phone for the first time, I always recommend that you look for the updates. If they are available, you can simply upgrade the software and have the latest one before you start using a new phone. And it is applicable for all the phones, not just Samsung, all the phones. And there's a user manual again. So that's it. So at the end of this video, I will be sharing some pictures clicked with this phone so that you can have a real experience on how this 64 megapixel camera setup works and how the front camera, which is 32 megapixel, works. So thank you guys for watching, and do subscribe to this channel to continue getting these kind of videos. Thank you.